DRL X02 Smart Setup, Getting Started and Connection Guide. Connect lock with the app. Make sure you have the app installed on your phone. Open the app, log in or create an account. Add device. Open app, create your account, tap Add device on plus icon. Enable Bluetooth. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Tap Next. Bluetooth search. The app will start searching for the nearby devices. Keep the lock close to your phone. Select your lock. Your lock will appear in the list. Tap on the lock to select it. Wait for pairing to complete. To add fingerprint. Once lock is added, tap on your locked device. Select Member Management. Tap on Me Admin. Then tap Add Finger under Fingerprint section. Follow the on-screen instruction. Place finger on the fingerprint reader on the lock. Registration complete.